The ITIL 4 Service Desk Guide. What is ITIL? Information Technology Infrastructure Library, or ITIL, is a practicable series of designed frameworks that help standardize the life cycle of IT service management for any type of business. The concept of ITIL and ITIL framework in IT service and security is to provide guidance that helps in serving a better service.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Types of service desk in ITIL. Number 1. The local service desk. The implementation of a local service desk would take place only if the company chooses to open a desk in each of the 8 sites. Calls coming from different locations would be directed to a local service desk in the same region. For example, calls coming from the UK would be directed to the UK service desk, and so on. I guess you get the picture. Pros: lingua franca may be the preferred method of communication at a local service desk. As a result of the ability of users and service desk staff to relate to one another, there may be a greater knowledge of the current problems and quicker resolutions. Additionally, customer satisfaction will skyrocket. Cons: local help desks are super expensive. 8 service desks, complete with staff, facilities, and administration, will need to be established by the organization throughout the world. Number 2. The centralized service desk. As obvious as it may seem, this type of service desk is located and operated centrally, forming a centralized network. All company sites from different locations can dial through this centralized service desk, which is located in the center of the business. Furthermore, the degree of centralization will be determined by the business. Pros: the most significant red flag when referring to centralized service desks is cost. There have been significant cost savings, and businesses can use technology like VoIP to further cut the cost of calling abroad. Cons: a local service desk's ability to add a human touch is obviously lacking. Also, any problems with the telecommunications providers or any breakdowns in the communication system will prevent this from serving its intended purpose. Number 3. Virtual service desk. Virtual service desks, also called virtual help desks, are one of the most commonly used and implemented types of service desks. There is a centralized service desk that remotely handles all other queries received from other locations. Pros: it is the most cost-effective way to provide reliable service to customers. With the aid of virtual help desks, IT representatives may quickly identify and resolve computer issues by remotely accessing end systems during support sessions. The help desk becomes more effective as a result of the elimination of ineffective in-person interactions with clients and handset tech support sessions. Importance of ITIL 4 Service Desk. In this widely and rapidly expanding domain of IT technology, it is very important to manage incidents and also deliver a quality service to its users. With the help of ITIL Service Desk, IT organizations will improvise a centralized system for dealing with IT incidents and IT service requests. Number 1. Improves users' interaction quality. As we all know, a quality service to a user is what every organization's service prioritizes. The service desk is also called complete support. The service desk platform centralizes all user demands by bridging the gaps for product inquiry, service, and other customer needs. Hence, it aids in providing a quality interaction to make users realize the delivery of their demands. Number 2. Improves response time. The parameters followed for solving requests vary from organization to organization. Standardization of responses is done by choosing suitable standards to solve a problem. By providing precise and effective solutions, a service desk helps speed up the service process. Number 3. Improves user satisfaction. When the services delivered are faster and more efficient, despite having an issue, users are more likely to continue doing business with the same organization. By providing a quality service and quick responses to their issues, the user's experience is improved, and users are now much more satisfied. Number 4 enables you to measure performance. Corrections are made automatically by spotting a system, product, or service that deviates from the standard, minimizing any negative effects on the user. By enabling the monitoring of performance indicators, service desk technology also makes it possible to gauge the level of customer satisfaction.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.